do you have the issue for need to set up the one small thing, but you have to drive like 1 hour, even 2 hour drive for your customer space and just do the simple setup? That's the hard. Today I will tell you what's the VMS software, and you can just remove it to set up for your customer and playback and do all the AI search something. You need to ask your sales representative to send you the RX2. So after you unzip that file, you get a VMS system and the device figure 2. VMS system is the system we will talk about today, and for the device configure tool, that is basically the search tool for the IP device. So after you install the VMS, you will get the VMS Pro, and they will ask you to log in the system. So you can just simply to set a password or something, and after you saved, you will go to the main menu. So how to add the device for your customer? So you go to the device manager right here, and you click right here. Right here you can name the anything. For today we just test. And right here you can use the IP, but we will do set it for the customer, so we use the ID. So you get a question, where is the ID? The ID is a P2P ID. You can find it on the information page on the system itself. That page has a QR code, and also you can find the P2P ID from the NVR or XVR itself. This has a label inside, so you can just check it out. So we just get a sample. So this is the ID from us. Copy that ID. And for the port number, it's 80. And the username and password is same username and password for logging your system. So it's admin and the CST12345, and you add right here. So it shows it connecting. Oh, it's online. So after that, you can do the all stuff. So you can go to setup right here. So you can say right here all the setup is the same exactly from the NVR itself. So you can change all stuff, something like that, even the main string, substring. That sometimes your customer complain, the substring sometimes just shuttle down or turn off. You can change right here. Something, even the AI function. So you can still do all the AI function right here. And basically everything you can do right here. Okay. And this is the IP, is all the information, all stuff. You can check for your customer. That's pretty much easy. You don't need to drive like a 2 hour for your customer house to do the setting. And even though, so you get lots of the other function, even the main wheel, so you can just find that testing and drive right here. It's gonna load up all the picture. So all the playback, the same thing. You can just one camera. So or even you can do the AI search. Yeah, so if you got the AI camera, you got a person, human and the vehicle, something like lesson play. We try the lesson play. Okay, we just select and select the time and search. You will get the exactly same result from the NVR. So you can double click that. So you will get the video, all the stuff, all the people, search. Need to select channel. Okay, something like that. So that's the very helpful software for the RX series. So I hope that thing will help you a lot. You don't need to drive a lot for your customers, just to do the one small thing. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and contact us. This is the phone number and this is the email.